Hello and welcome friends. A new case on probability basic calculations. In this case it is given that a bag contains 10 white, 6 red, 4 black and 7 blue balls. That means total number of balls in the bag or box are 27. 5 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that 2 of them are red and 1 is black? 2 red, 1 black. Only 3 balls. But we know that 5 balls are drawn at random. That means remaining 2 are out of the remaining 17. White and blue. But what is the compulsion? 2 are red and 1 is black. 2 red out of 6, 1 black out of 4 and remaining 2 out of remaining 17. But first of all, in how many ways 5 balls out of 27 can be drawn? 27 see 5 ways. It will be 27 factorial upon 5 factorial multiplied by 27 minus 5 factorial. 27 minus 5 is 22. So let us expand the numerator up to 22 factorial. 27 multiplied by 26 by 25 by 24 by 23 and by 22 factorial. Divided by 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 22 factorial. So we can cancel 22 factorial from both the sides. Now 5 can be cancelled with 55 by 5. 4 can be cancelled with 24 by 6, 3 can be cancelled with 27 by 9 and 2 can be cancelled with 26 by 13. So ultimately it is 9 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 23. The answer comes to 80,730. That means 5 balls out of 27 can be drawn in 80,730 ways. That means 80,730 different combinations of 5 balls are possible. Now out of which, how many can have 2 red and 1 black ball? That means remaining 2 out of remaining 17. Probability of 2 red and 1 black. But this is not the complete combination because we are going to draw 5 balls. So the interpretation should be 2 red and 1 black and 2 of remaining colors. The probability will be 2 red out of 6, 6C2. And 1 black out of 4, 4C1 and 2 out of remaining 17. Remaining 17 can be considered as 27 minus 10, 17 or 10 white and 7 blue, but there is no choice. There can be 2 white, 2 blue or 1 of each color. We are not interested in the combination of the remaining 2. We are interested in the fact that there must be 2 red and 1 black ball. Divided by 27C5. Always check the value of R in the numerator. 2 plus 1 plus 2 should always tally with the value of R in the denominator. This is a very small checkpoint. 6C2, 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, so it is 15. 4C1 is 4. 17C2 means 17 into 16 divided by 2. 16 can be divided by 2 by 8. So ultimately it is 17 into 8, 136 divided by 80,730. So ultimately it comes to 8,160 divided by 80,730. So ultimately it is 816 upon 8,073. This is the probability of having 2 red and 1 black and 2 of remaining colors if we draw 5 balls out of 27. Thank you very much.